Supplier email arrives. Wax is up 12%, fragrance up 8%, and you have 11 products on the shelf. Which of them still make money? At retail and at wholesale. This is the Candle and Soap Maker's Recipe, Repricing and Wholesale Workbook, and it answers that in about 20 minutes instead of a week of unease. It starts with one table. You buy by the case and sell by the unit, so enter what a pack cost and how much is in it. In the unit you actually weigh with at the bench. A $109 case of soy wax, holding 720 ounces, becomes 15.14 cents an ounce. 53 ingredients come preloaded, with par levels and reorder flags. Then every recipe is a bill of materials, and each line is marked batch or unit. Wax, oils, lye, and fragrance are spent once per batch, so they divide by the yield. The tin, the wick, the label, and the box are spent once per unit, so they do not. Put a vessel in the wrong column and your candle looks about $1 cheaper than it really is, and every wholesale price you set from it is wrong in the same direction. Products can also share a base. Write the cold process oil base once, write each scent as a small add-on, and 3 bars ride on one recipe. Change the olive oil price a single time and all 3 reprice together, instead of you keeping the same 8 oil lines in 3 places that slowly drift apart. Materials, your own hourly rate, and a share of your workshop allocated by the minutes each product takes give you a true unit cost. Your target margins give the retail and wholesale price that hit them. Then your actual prices are scored against both, with a 4-state flag: on target, under target, thin, or below cost. That last one is the expensive discovery, and it is usually made after a stockist has already reordered. Which brings us to the piece of wholesale math nobody explains. Keystone means wholesale at half of retail, and most shops will not move off it. At a 50% retail margin, Keystone leaves you nothing at all. You would be selling at cost. At 60%, it leaves 20. At 65, exactly 30. Every point of retail margin above 50 buys you 2 points of wholesale margin. So if your wholesale numbers look impossible, the problem is almost never wholesale. It is upstream, in a retail price that was never set high enough to be halved. And this is the tab that earns the workbook. Supplier prices do not rise one ingredient at a time. Freight lifts every glass vessel. A crop year lifts every essential oil. So you raise a whole category. Wax up 12%, fragrance up 8%, vessels up 5%, and the entire catalog recalculates. New unit cost, new margins at both tiers. A hold, watch, or reprice verdict on every product, and the exact price that restores your target. 8 connected tabs, a one-click native Google Sheets copy, and 5 PDF guides that teach the method, preloaded with a complete worked example so nothing is blank when you open it. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. And it is a file you keep. No subscription, no login, no feature that disappears. Own it, don't rent it. The link is in the description.